Social skills. Don't quit. That's what we're going to be learning all this week on your social skills is not quitting. Don't quit. Objective. Today we will discuss about finishing strong and giving no excuses. So remember, no excuses. Steps for success. Step 1, set your goals. Step 2, practice them. Step 3, improve them. And step 4, succeed. Once you improve and you master your goals and finish them, you will succeed. Core value. Give no excuses when completing your work or a task that you are giving. For example, if you're trying to make a ball into a basket, keep trying until you make it. I'm not going to quit. Always set your mind for not quitting. Always think that you're not gonna quit. Sorry, let's go back. There's 3 questions. These questions can be answered today, or you can answer them on till Wednesday. You have till Wednesday. So question number 1, should a student not complete work? Green is yes and red is no. What is the second step to success? So is it A, succeed, B, set your goals, or C, practice? Number 3, what core values should you always use? A, team and family, B, no excuse, or C, give up. So you can write the answers on a piece of paper, take a picture and send them to me. But remember, you have till Wednesday to finish them, and if you finish them today, that's fine. Just go ahead and send them to me and I'll upload them for you on Teams. But if you know how to do it, go ahead and do it yourself. If you have any questions, go ahead and call me and I will help you in whatever you need. Thank you.